Hi, this is Miss Rowe. I'm a local secondary teacher in the area and I would like to help people learn how to use computers. So for example, I've been teaching and one of my year 7 classes really struggled on the basics of how to use a computer or a PC. This is mainly Windows based. So let's go. So first things first, what I'm going to show you is how to create a folder. So in lesson, we ask pupils to create a folder in their area. Okay, so what you're going to do is, this is my desktop. So I'm going to go down to the start area. This is Windows 10. So go down here. And then what we're going to do is go into the File Explorer. We're just going to go straight to Documents up here. And then we are going to, there's couple of ways of doing this. So you can either right click, I think is the easiest way, right click down to new folder. There we go. Click on it and then you can see there it's Miss Rowe, new folder. That's it, and just click up on the side. So that is how you create a new folder. Obviously there's other ways you can do this depending on what version of Windows you're using, but up here as well you can click up there, new folder, and then you can call it, we'll say computing. There we go. So you can have a different folder for each of your subject. If you're homeschooling, I'll talk a bit more about Google Classroom on a later video. But for now, so that's nice and easy, new folder. That's how you do it.